Hello! Welcome to my channel. So what are we up to today? In this episode, I'm going to share with you a baking video that I uploaded to Instagram last year. I also uploaded it to another YouTube account of mine, which wasn't in a proper format. It was meant for Instagram. So I decided that I might as well do a new one for this channel. Last year, I went to the UK and bought a packet of Bounty cookie mix. Before I baked it, I went online to search for some information about it, especially on how the end result will be. Somehow, most of the results were in other languages, not in English. I think there were only 2 in English. So I decided to upload this video in this channel to share it with you. If you bought the cooking mix, this video is for you. If you don't, just treat it as an entertainment. Let's check out the video. Thank you for watching. I hope that the video is useful. Hope that you can subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook at lovebellbell. Till then, see you and take care. Bye.